Good morning, everybody. Welcome to CS-103. My name is Marie Schmitz. I'll be your instructor. We're going to be creating web pages, and to develop one, we're going to use HTML to define the content and structure of the page, and we're going to use CSS to format the content. So for each web page we develop, we'll have two files. One will be the HTML file, one will be the CSS file. Alright, now let's just look at the HTML file. And I'm going to use Notepad. Okay, now you can use, there's lots of text editors. The book recommends Aptena Studio 3. You can download that, I think, for free. You can also download Notepad++, which is kind of nice too. But I'm going to use a basic Notepad, just so you can see that it's really it's very simple what we're doing. Now you have to remember that Notepad is a text editor, so it will save your files with the extension txt. Alright, we need to reformat that. We just need to change the type of file it is. So I'm gonna save an empty screen just so I can show you. And right here, see, is the default extension. And since this is our, we'll just call this introduction. Okay, now I am going to put a different extension that's .html, and you need to do this if you're using the Notepad, and along with that you need to save as type all files, because otherwise it'll add the txt on this whole name. Alright, I'm just gonna, let's see, where are my documents? Okay, I'm just gonna save it here. Okay, my file is saved. Now as I type in, I can save it again. Okay, so HTML5 makes it fairly simple so that you can tell the browser what you're using, what software you're using. This is the introductory tag. Oh, doc type. I forgot my P in there. Okay. Alright, doc type. There. There, that's our beginning tag. The HTML files will consist of tags. Okay. Now, the HTML file consists of two parts, the head and the body. So we're going to open HTML and we're going to say, give it one attribute. Okay, an attribute is just like, a description of, helps describe what the tag is about. Like you have brown hair, or blonde hair, or black hair. That's an attribute of your physical appearance. Okay. So an attribute for that, and we're going to use attributes a lot, especially in the different tags. Okay, so here we go. We're going to open the head. Now in the head we're going to have 3 lines. Okay, and the first line is this describes meta char set. Might help to put a space in there. Okay, meta char set equals, or meta char, anyway, it stands for a character. Okay, what this all means, whoops, somehow I forgot the beginning of this one. Boom, there we go. Alright, it's backwards compatible with ASCII. So each character in UTF-8 can be from 1 to 4 bytes long. Alright, and that is, UTF-8 is the preferred encoding for web pages. Okay, looks good. We're still in the head, and we're going to cut it off now and continue with our next video. Okay.